Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
YouTube, what's going on, everybody? Yours truly is back, and this time we got a little channel update. I know I've been gone for like 5-6 months, so I'm so sorry about that, but we're at the beach. There's been a lot of things change. I will keep you guys updated. Of course, I don't know if I'll do it in this video, but if not, I'm gonna make another video. Needless to say, I've had to change of jobs, work late, so the streaming and things like that have just been something that's like not necessarily in the cards for me right now, but a lot of changes going on. But currently, as y'all can tell, we're at the beach. Looks incredible. I mean, you've already seen this looks incredible up quite a bit of ways. This is actually my first time. We are in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Yeah, there's a sweet pier down there, so I got my nice little wristband too. Got the G-Shock, you already see. But yeah, anyways, guys, it's been a long, like 5 months. Started a new job, been super busy. A lot of things have changed, but I'm happy to be on board. I'm happy to experience the vacation, and this vacation trip truly inspired me to vlog again. But of course, you all will be seeing a lot more content. I promise you. I'm gonna try to do like a vlog a month. But anyways, you all, let's go to the beach. Y'all, so change of direction. We're actually going to eat first, then we're going to go hit a little bit of the beach, and then to the hot tub is where I'm going. Beautiful seafood heaven. Oh my lord, YouTube, look at this. Look at them shrimp and beer. It's gonna be a good time. All right, guys, just gonna be honest, that was some great seafood, but check this out. Look at this. This is so sweet, and I don't want to get copywritten for the music playing, but that is so gorgeous. happy Sunday. It is now the 5th of May. It has been an incredible trip so far. But today, we're actually going to some of my favorite places. So we're going to be going to the PGA Superstore. I'm going to go to a used game store because that's actually something too. I've not even told you all fully about like the journey and me actually now doing something else with my gaming. So now I'm chasing achievements on Xbox. So that's been something that's really and truly been like on my mind a lot. So I'm getting a bunch of older games and things like that, and I'm gonna be playing them. Also, just to let you all know, the streams right now I'm on a very difficult work schedule. So my work schedule is until 8:30 at night. Well, after 8:30, it's kind of hard for me to stream because I do get tired and I do enjoy and value my sleep. So I was thinking, what I'm gonna try to do is try to stream 2 days a week until I get a different work schedule. And whenever I get a different work schedule, should be in a couple months, so I'll be able to go a little bit more consistently. However, if you all do like me doing these vlogs and IRL content, let me know, because now I'm actually in a point to where I can do that. So, but anyways, you all, let's, if you all do want to see that, drop a like, man. Leave a comment down below. All that stuff is really, really going to help. That way I know what you all like to see. Hopefully the TikToks will be coming back soon. But anyways, you all, let's go to Chick-fil-A. Let's go buy some used games. And let's go golfing. Alright, YouTube, so check this out. We ate over there at the Pier 14. That place was awesome. Yesterday we did collect some seashells from right here, like in this general area. There is a hot tub and stuff like over there. That was a solid time. But yeah, this is and then the other day we did go all the way up there. Like you probably can't even see the pier because it's literally as long as the eye can see. It's like the end of the world. I don't want to creep out on somebody else's balcony, but as you can tell, this is a pretty dope view. Very dope view. But yeah, I just want to touch base with you all again right before we went to the Superstore and let you all know that the beach is 10 out of 10 worth it. We got a guy over here running around. But yeah, just the sounds and like being this close is just so incredible. It is so incredible. So, but anyways, let's head to the PGA Superstore and everything else I mentioned earlier. Before we go, peep the fit. We got the Crocs on. I don't even know if y'all can see it. It's gonna be a good day. All right, y'all, update. We just ate Wendy's. We went and got, we went to like the Tanger outlets. It was a good time, I guess you could say. Now, Miranda is taking me to the PGA Superstore where I'm about to spend a lot of money probably. I don't know, I say that. But just gonna go browse around, enjoy our last like full day here. We are leaving in the morning. So, but anyways, you all, I guess we'll catch you inside the store. All right, y'all, we've made it. This is literally a Walmart-sized golf store. And evidently they have tennis too. But this is gonna be a good time. Let's see what's inside. This is incredible. All right, y'all, we survived the PGA Superstore. It was pretty nice. There was a lot of stuff in there, but I didn't buy anything. Miranda bought a golf glove. But of course, we are going to be having more golf content on the channel. I have a tournament coming up on the 17th, 19th, I think. One of those days that I have to request off for work. So I may vlog then, I may not. But anyways, you all, we are now at a mall. We got a little Bass Pro Shops in here, and it looks like there's some other things over towards here. But anyways, let's see what's inside. We walked right back outside and seen some ducks. What a day. All right, YouTube, back here with you all. Listen, it's kind of windy. The beach is beautiful. As you can see, it is absolutely beautiful. as you can see, I'm like the weatherman now. It's kind of windy, but guess what? That's okay. It is now like 7, 8 o'clock. It's almost 8. We're gonna go in here and watch the Formula One highlights, or the full race. But anyways, guys, this is probably gonna be it for the beach. Next time you see me, I'll either be in Virginia or Tennessee. But until then, much love. Thanks everybody. Make sure leave a like, drop a comment, whatever it takes. Support the channel. We will be back live soon. Stay up to date. Until then, though, let's go watch the race. Stop, bro. There's no way.
Here's Orlando's greatest day of the race.
Alright guys, I'm back from vacation. Well, thankfully. Even though it has been a wonderful trip, it's been awesome. Like, truthfully, I could not have asked for a better vacation. I definitely needed it. Not really had like a vacation since starting my new job, and technically not even had a vacation in a very long time. But you all, I'm going to go ahead and end it out here. Thank you all so very much for supporting the channel, going with me through everything. Like, truthfully, I could not appreciate it enough. And to put everything aside, I wanted to say, guys, the Twitch streaming, it will be coming back. I got to do a couple things with like my overlays and things like that, and then we'll be good to go. And then hopefully I get on a little bit better of a work schedule that'll help me, you know, make streaming easier for me. Like, I can stream now, but like it would be like really late into the night, and things like that. But we got some new games coming. That's all that I gotta say for now, is we got some new games coming. But anyways, I want to say thank you all so very much for watching. Until the next vlog, and as always, folks, I love you all so much. Thanks for the support. You have no idea. This stuff means the world to me. Let's make it big. Until then, y'all have a good one.